What's up YouTube, AVI back with another video, and today we are going to see which instant quote is the best compared to a few online sites such as CarMax. I know Vroom is getting popular now. Vroom, we're going to go Kelley Blue Book, and we are going to be going Carvana. So we have four that we're going to kind of compare, and if you guys are looking to sell your car, maybe you guys can look at this video and see which car online website is now going to give you the best instant cash offer. So we thought, let's put up the Bronco because it's a classic vehicle, but a lot of the ones are in bad condition. So how do they take that into consideration on each site? So we're going to see what our instant cash offer is going to be for the 96 Bronco. So let's do it. Hey, just wanted to pause the video here to tell you guys what kind of information you would need to enter into the site so you didn't have to watch us putting in all the information. So I have a few things here. I'll list them all up here with what things you'll need in order to sell your car and get an instant cash offer. So the first thing you would need is obviously the VIN number. You could also search by license plate depending on the site. So if you have a license plate, you can search and your car should come up based on the registration. You also need to know the trim of the vehicle, if it's XLT or XL for the case of the Bronco, is it the Eddie Bauer edition, stuff like that. Also need to know how many miles. Obviously, if it has 30,000, it's gonna be worth more than something that has 200,000 miles. So that's good to know. One question that all the sites asked, which was kind of surprising to me, is how many keys did you have to the vehicle? Another checkbox thing is the different options that you have. Does it have AC, power mirrors, leather, etc.? Another question is, has the car been in an accident? Does it have a clean title? Is it salvage or is it lemons? Things like that. And other things, really quickly, is just warning lights. Are there any warning lights on the vehicle? And they ask for the interior and exterior conditions. So you should be able to use all of those, fill in all those fields and get your instant cash offer. So let's get back to the video. So we got the information put into some sites. For instance, CarMax and some of those other sites, the more popular ones, were not able to appraise. They wanted us to go in just because of CarMax said it was a rare car. So they wanted me to come look. They wanted me to bring it in to take an appraisal. I think it's just because they don't have enough data points to make an appraisal. But we did get two offers right off the bat. And like we said, Vroom will be sending their offer tomorrow morning with the offer. So Vroom, like we said, will be sending their offer tomorrow. But Carvana offered me a whopping $200 for the Bronco. So should we take it, guys? Let us know in the comments below, considering I spent more money doing an alignment. But and then we will go to cashforcars.com, and they are willing to offer me $1,786.36, which is kind of strange. Like, how do you come up with that number? Like 36 cents, not 37, not $1,790, no. $1,786.36. How do you think they came up with that? I don't know. So once tomorrow morning, we'll get the offer from Vroom, and we'll kind of put them all up on the screen here just to summarize. But yeah, I would say it's a little bit difficult to say you should use Cash for Cars because it gave me more, just because the Bronco is a little bit unique vehicle, but it's pretty easy to get a price for your car. So if you're looking, just do that. So we'll be back with the Vroom price tomorrow morning. What's up, guys? We are back with the Vroom offer. It was about a day and a half, not quite next day. It was the morning of the second day. But we have the offer and we're about to show it. So here's the offer. The offer is $2,800 for the 96 Bronco. So let us know what you guys think. I mean, that's more than I paid for it. So that's pretty good for an instant cash offer. But obviously I'm not going to sell it for that cheap. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. So if you're looking to sell your car, maybe try out Vroom first to see what they give you. I would recommend trying all three that we did in this video. But Vroom seems to be, it was actually really quick, really easy, I should say, to input the information. And within a day and a half, we had a full price offer. And it looks like they'd come and pick it up and things like that. So I'd say give Vroom a try. And yeah, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to support us. We have more videos like this coming up. And just like that, AVI out.